Laundry can be frustrating and time consuming. Even more frustrating when you don't even know how to properly wash your clothes. First timers, aka high schoolers or college students, will just toss everything in the washer, putting large amounts of detergent in it and blast that dryer at the highest setting because we want this chore to get done as fast as we can. And after all of that hard work, leave your clothes in the laundry basket or chair for a week or until further notice. Hey, I've been there and I still struggle to put my clothes away once they come out from the dryer. However, if you want to properly take care of your clothes, you must know at least the proper way to wash your clothes. For many of us, we learned this type of chore from our parents, and I'm pretty sure you have the traditional way to do it. It's great and all, but if you still have the question and are still struggling to properly wash your clothes, then this is the video for you. Hi, my name is Darryl Arante, and for today's video, I'm going to guide you guys through how to properly wash your clothes in order to prolong the quality of life of each of your garments. I will guide you guys on how to sort them out, the washer and the dryer settings, and what type of detergent you should use and what to avoid. So if you're still watching this, then let's get started. Number one, you need to properly sort your clothes according to their fabric type, composition, and colors. Not all clothes are created equal, so you just can't mix and match them or else your white colored shirt will turn into a pink shirt. The way I approach this is to first sort them out according to their color, sort them out by dark and light. Now the next step is to sort them out according to their fabric type. I normally divide them under 5 categories: cotton, polyester, or workout clothes. I still keep the pile of the light stuff, towels and sheets, and hand wash or dry clean or very delicate garment, which I'm not gonna talk about that much because it is self-explanatory. We're gonna focus on the first 4, especially the first 2, the cotton and the polyester, since we use them the most. 90 to 100% cotton goes to the first pile. Polyester and other mixed fabrics except wool go to the other pile. All right, I will explain why I do this once we're ready to send these clothes in the wash. All right, now it's time for you to put the clothes you organize into the washer. First and foremost, you need to familiarize yourself with the washer settings. Not everyone will have the same setting, but most of the washers should have these labels: regular or cotton setting, permanent press, and delicate setting. All these terms are pretty much translate to what they call cycle speeds, where regular or cotton setting is equal to fast and fast, meaning it's on fast wash cycle and fast spin cycle, which I recommend it to use for your cotton load. Permanent press is equal to fast or slow speed, medium to fast wash cycle, but slow spin cycle, which works best for your workout clothes, the polyester fabrics, dress clothes, or wrinkle-free clothes. I typically use this setting when I load my mixed fabrics, aka workout clothes. And finally, you have the delicate option where it has a slow spins. This is where you want to put your delicate fine fabric. Once you figure out the right spin setting for your clothes, it is time to put the right temperature. All right, I'm gonna keep this simple. Always put your setting on cold temperature because cold water not only saves on your energy bill, but it does extend your clothes lifespan, okay? Only switch to hot settings or warm settings when you soiled your clothes so badly or putting towels or sheets. Other than that, keep it in a cold setting. Now you have all the right settings for the right fabric. It's time to put a detergent. I do have particular rules when using the liquid detergent, okay? Feel free to follow me on this one or keep whatever you've been doing. Anyways, I use the right amount of laundry detergent softener for my cotton load in the towels or sheets. However, I only put a laundry detergent and I avoid putting any fabric softener on my workout clothes because fabric softener can ruin the garment's intended performance. Workout clothes are mostly made of moisture-wicking fabrics that help pull the moisture away, aka sweat, to keep your body cool. When fabric softener is presented, its lubricating residue can disrupt the fabric, meaning that the moisture will not go through the surface and it will lead through a certain odor. And that's when some of your clothes will stink easily, okay? So avoid fabric softener on your gym clothes. As for white clothes, I just use Tide Pods in it and don't ask me why. As for the dry setting, I'm gonna make it simple for you guys, okay? Always, as in always, put your heat setting on low or air dry. Do not or never put your clothes on a high setting, with the exception of towels, because that's how you immediately destroy the quality of your clothes. out of all the rules I mentioned, this is the one that you don't want to mess with, okay? So please remember, use a low heat setting up to medium if you want your clothes to last long. So as for my dry ice setting for this one, I would only select the permanent press, cotton settings, or delicate option because all these settings provide a medium to low heat setting. I typically chose permanent press for all my clothes. Towels and sheets you could put in a high setting, and any delicate clothes you have or workout clothes too, you either hang air dry them or put it on an air dry setting. Once you finish drying your clothes, make sure to double check them if they're still damp or not. If it's still damp, take out clothes that are dry and run the damp clothes again to save energy. Once they all dry, immediately take them out from the dryer and start hanging or folding them. But I know most of us will not do the step because we either forget to do it or we get lazy. Well, that's my tutorial for you guys today on how to properly wash your clothes. Hopefully you guys learned something today, and please share this with your friends or family that need this. Please press the thumbs up button if you happen to like this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. That's it for me, guys. Stay safe and stay amazing. Have a good day, everyone. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.